behalf of all my colleagues who have joined us to be part of you in this afternoon, we'd like to thank you for inviting us to come and see you, to come and meet you, and to inspire you with this sit-in demonstration that you have performed today. So when I kublai Rupang, yai President Jong ka SSA di Barambai, bat kinong kitkam Jog Association baro, bay lakot sobha yang ni, bangin ya don rengkat bat pi hakani kapor, kung kinong mikmat, ni baro ang ilewan hakani kejaka menta hakawa pi pelong ya ka sit-in demonstration. Nginawan masunwai ka assembly, ngiyawan be direction ni banwan ban pe, ban snap ya ki jing e ki jong pi, ngilawan kambene habang iyeng hang ti, ngilayo snow kedal, ya ki kentien bakren i president, ya ki jing e, kabaka SSA Association, kalashem. Hakini ki benai ki balalek, hakabomio e ki tulop mentalalai benai, bat nang ta, hakajing e jong ke service jong ki, kaba ki la shem hakini ki benai ba ki snem ki balalek, bat kumjo, ya ki jing e, kaba ki kmi ba ki salap, hakini ki snem ki banwan. Hadu hajar arfong rio isokhia habang isnap ya ke jing e jong kinong hikai but nakaliang jonga kumangala jukit laba kumangala jura ya ka sur ke jong pi hapo kador barthoan man kapor mandaru kumjo kat ngidam long kene kador bar thuan ngin rabiang ya ki chinge jongpi bangin pensawajur khamjur bani khae be ikrani barmbai menta khamjur shushu apo kador bar thuan namar ngi kwa bakane ke sarkar kadai banle ai bakane ke sarkar badu menteri bade pe education udai baun sengap ya ki jing dawa ki jongpi ngimtep ke ai gadon ke jing e andre habadon kamon menteri lese don kalat ke Lynti ban Wanrah ya ke solution ngingai bahakini kisngi naru lasai ba naru lasisngi ngidon kapor kabaki don ke motion ke bangilabo tangem ta jongpi ni paro kumne kumbangi zayar wan rekat hangne ngine shim benda hakani ka motion ka bangila ai ka subject plight of teachers in Meghalaya ublay shibone pi ublay undan rekat pi ublay unang kerhu ya kayeng ka sem jong pi undap penbeng ya kayeng jong pi bat kumjo undang ai pi baro ya kayeng ka sem jong pi ka met ka pakot ka pakya ublay shibon.
Dear friends, for the members of the SSA Teachers Associations in Meghalaya, Mr. Rumbai, the President of the Association, and all my colleagues present here, and friends from media. Well, I've just heard after the House was adjourned for today from George Bilingdo and Hima Shangpliang, Honorable MLS, that you have organized this program, and we have been invited, few of us. So accordingly, we were planning to come. Then, after the House was adjourned for today, we have proceeded to this place, just to show our solidarity to you. We are in the opposition. Our job is to draw the attention of the government pertaining to different issues that are where we are confronted with. So when we reach here, your president was speaking something in English which I couldn't understand, but then gist of his speech was told by my friends Mr. George Lingdo and Shangpliang. That is how I could understand the gist of the speech delivered by the president. So, as I have told, our job is to draw the attention about different issues that we are confronted by. So definitely, we are having ongoing session. This is autumn session. So we will find out if we can take up your issues in the assembly in this ongoing session under the provision of the rules of procedure and conduct of business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Because we cannot just stand up and speak any issue, but we have to go through certain procedures. So there may be ways and means as to how we will take up this issue. So since my friend Mr. Shangpliang, he has spoken in English, in Khasi, I think some few Garo friends are also there. Yes. So let me have the privilege to speak in my own mother tongue also. Kasar Rupang, ang English siya kanagatan na simang kanarakaha dalo na simang masya ang sini Meghalaya adok na assembly session ng niya aro da simamang dahil ni kita assembly session ko speaker John Kajaman na simang niya program ng niya ni ko ang kananamat na ha aro kanaryon Rupang sekarang Shangpliang George Billing do nagewamang ba reba na manigaman ang aba kusyong reba ha reba ni muksong adewan na simang ni grievances ko na simang ni neknikani ko knai masira na hada ya ko knai mana masira ha mode singa ye isurang ko tekap kana tubatte man gen gapau wenegaman singa wa ko muksong imna reba ha aro singa dalo singa de opposition wana simang sakanten masya opposition ni kamdewan 등탕 안층이 송어 옹행급바 오스타랑 제랑치 안층이 만대랑 송송동바 만대랑 넥니까니 그만네야 우한 나까빠 이슈랑코 대캅카에 소르카리님 강호 작시웨팀에 속나 야노 나까빠 넥니까니 롱이야 야노 나까빠 남기전이 롱이야 야랑코나 시망 다라케 다리다뽀 남맛뽀 엔네 아가나니안 증리 디우ció아 오포지시농 돌니데 원에게만 제 돈금은 증나 레스폰시빌리티코 증나 다이토호 증나 만행아점 바 증나 만하점 야코라에 증나야 다오세시농 잉어파오 베벤 나시망니 이슈고 등탕만차 사핏 가만에 이코 대갑카나 다리그만 동수자 안데바 등탕 안층니 rules and procedure and conduct of business 동안 안층니 assembly요 우노 돈금은 provisional 방착게 바노바 증나 이코 숙조 때문에 야고 대갑카나 만나오데 증나 조톤 가겐 등탕만차 failure of governance ngapa isurangko changa submit kagaman donga 등탕만차 specifically ya nasimangni teacherangni nengdikani issue-ko dekapkana gata 등탕만차 specific issue 동작엔 청어봐 ndakaparang changa 숙조때 ya issue-rangko dekapkana 조ton 가겐 왜냐면 가설을 빼나 나시망 가동하기로 원하는자 방난 you should hope against hope don't get disheartened. There may be ways and means in future. Yakuagane, Nasiman Sakantikon, Anigis Katoni Namaskaniko, Ani Araniko Matruta, with his viewers. I once again thank you for inviting us and best of luck.